Hello everyone, welcome to part 159 of Ecom series in Laravel 5.7 and 5.8. And in this video, we are going to work on website security once again. And means in website security, we also done in the past in few videos, but in this video also we are going to work on website security. And according to my friend's demand, okay. So there is one security that we need to update. We need to avoid our website from the hackers. Okay. So you know that hackers can means hackers, or you can some clever users who can use some kind of add-on, some kind of software to update the price of the product, to update the grand total, means to update the total of the product, means total of the card. Okay, card total they can update, means like if the total of the card is 1000 rupees, or you can say the $10, they can update it to $1 or 500 rupees. Okay, and going to means make the order for that thing. Okay, they can means manipulate, they can be alter the prices. Okay, so this thing we need to avoid. We need to avoid the grand total. We want that that it will come according to the products, and the that user can't able to edit. Okay, so what I will take this scenario, like I will tell you, like we are going to open the product controller. Okay, and quickly we will open that placeOrder function. Okay, so here before this one, you amazon, you think like the grand total here at this place, if in case he update this grand total, means this grand total, whatever it is coming, this grand total is coming here. Okay, so in case he updates this grand total to 0, means this one. Okay, this thing he can update from some software, something somewhere. In this function, he updates the grand total that is coming. You can see that is coming in post method. Okay, coming from the post method, and he can update the post, means so he can update this one grand total is coming as 0 from some add-on, some software. Suppose in this post, he can update this grand total to 0. Okay, so now our website total will be 0, and it's the huge issue for us. Okay, so means I will tell you, we need to means do something here, like if I will add some product. I will add some product in card. Most of the products don't have the, we will check in product attributes table that which products are having attributes. Here it is. But I think stock is not there. Let's add one of the products. Okay, and one more I'm going to add. We have added 2 products, and go to display. And you can see these 2 products we have added in our cart. Okay, we need to log in as well. No, this one always keeps me covered. We will take any user. We need to find out that status of the user must be one. Okay, I'm going to take this one only 300 UML. So now you can see that we have added 2 products and grand total is 3700. Okay. So now in case this 3700, some hacker comes into website and update the price from 3700 to 0. Okay, till it is coming 100 rupees shipping added, so it is 3800. He do COD, and at the time of order placement, what he do, he update the price to 0, and here you can check the grand total price is 0. Okay, sorry, one of the product category is disabled, so it is not coming. So no issue. We can add this. We can add some other product. Okay, this one another thing we have done recently. But the product category, if product category is disabled, then products must also not come. So correct this at your end. So there are always a bug in e-commerce website that you need to resolve at your end. Okay, so that's already in card. We are going to take medium size. Again, now I'm going to select COD once again. Now the price is 3100. I'm going to click on place order, and here you can see the 0 price, because 0 has been updated by someone, some hacker. Okay, he means he done this thing by means with some add-on or some software and update the price of grand total to 0. Okay, so in this case we need to call some function. We need to make some function that will again from the product IDs again generate the grand total price. Okay, we will not use this price. We will use the we will make function from where we will pick that product IDs that the user is going to buy, and if he edits product IDs, then there is no issue. Then the error will come in website. Okay, then we can even give that error that means something went wrong. You can try again, but we will not allow the user to place the 0 or some less amount. Okay, so for that we will make one function. So let's open product model where we will make one function. Okay, to calculate grand total once again, and here we are going to calculate grand total once again. Okay, public static function get grand total. We can name it like get grand total. Okay, like this. So here we need to, first of all, we need to give variable. We need to give variable here. We need to assign the 0 value, or we will assign no value to it. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that we want to have that username. Okay, username. Which username? Because we need to fetch the products from the card. Here we need to fetch the product from the card, and will generate. We will calculate the grand total. We will calculate from the products he added in card. We will get the prices from the product attribute table of those products, and After that, we will add the shipping and we will subtract the coupon code. Okay, we will generate that grand total for the user. Okay, so from this table, we will take this user email. We need to have this one. Okay, we will need in this, and then after that we need getting user card. User card, EB table, or we will set card. Okay. Card. Okay. So here we will use get method because there are any number of products. First of all, we are going to check that whether this one we able to fetch the card details or not. Okay. Okay. So, but we need to call this function here. Otherwise, it will not make any difference. You can see. There is some issue here. Yeah, sorry for that. Yes, okay. See, there nothing is coming. So we call this function as well. Echo uh, conduct. Total. Okay. You can see these two products have come up that we have added in card. Okay, that is fine. So now we can disable this one, and now we need to add that for each loop to add the prices of those products in array. Take this product price variable, and from product attribute model, we can get the price, exact price of the product. Okay, so from product ID, we are having here, from product ID we are having here, and size, product ID, and from size we can get the price of the product in attributes table, from attributes table. And we will use that first now because we need to fetch the price of one product only, not the multiple products. Okay, so here we will make one array, price array. We can make this array, okay, and here in this one we just will add the price like this. Okay, so now we can check this array as well. Here, if you want to check, we can check this array, that this array is working fine or not. Okay, so both the prices must come here, and we can check it out that both the product prices must come in this array. And there is some issue, I think. Okay, we are taking these one as array, but here we have not declared array, so we need to convert it to array. That's why it is coming like this. Okay, now you can see 1500 and 1800 prices are coming from product attributes table, and it is matching in card as well. 1500 and 1800 price for this one, but here it is given 1500. Okay, but we will check why there is difference, and the correct price is 1800 for the second product. Okay, so we can check in product attributes table. We can open a new tab. Here you can see the medium price is having the 1800 price. Okay, but here it is at the 1500 price. That is incorrect. The correct price is 1800. So we need to update the price, and this function will modify the price, but we are adding the incorrect amount in cart table that needs to be resolved. At the time of add to cart function, we need to see why this price is coming. It must be coming as 1800. So check this at your end, okay, for the completion of this video, and it will also help us that the correct price, total price, must be gone in card, but we will not show the incorrect price to the user, so we need to modify that add to cart function as well. Okay, so you can see 1800 1500 price, and now after getting this one, we will calculate that grand total price. So okay, grand total, we can make it like this, grand total, and here we can add the sum of this one, sum of this dollar price array. Okay, and array sum is the function to get the sum of the array. Okay, and after that we will reduce that coupon discount. Okay, coupon amount we need to minus, and we need to add that shipping charges. We need to add shipping charges. We need to add this one, and this amount, this grand total, we need to return this grand total. Okay, so now this grand total, when we will return, then you will get this grand total in place order function, where you are calling here. Now correct amount must come. We are going to check that amount. Okay, and see this one, this grand total we need to remove, and this one we will show here, and you can see 3400 grand total is coming. Okay, that is correct, and this grand total we can add in some variable grand total, and this grand total we need to use here in place of that. Okay, so now even the grand total is updated to 0. It will not make any effect to us because we are not using this grand total. We are calculating our grand total ourselves, means we are calculating the grand total by the product. By we are doing everything at the last moment. We have made one function where we are calculating everything, and we are using that grand total with our in the order. Okay, so it will not, even if some hacker comes and update this grand total is for the hacker, but we are using this one. This one is for the hackers. Even hackers can make it zero. It will not impact because we are not using this one. It is just to show to hackers that we are using this grand total, but exact we are using this grand total. Okay. Now, if you will do, it will make the order of 3400 order. It will generate. Okay, with two products and with 100 shipping charges. Okay, so like this you can update at your end and check in order table that whether new order has come or not. It is taking some time. Thanks, message has come now. Okay, so now you can see, but here the wrong price is coming because we are showing the session price. Okay, you can see we are taking this one in session, but we need to update the session here as well so that the correct price will go here. We will add new session here, session put grand total, and here we will use this grand total. We will not use that earlier than grand total, so the correct price will go there. Okay, so we will use this grand total price so that the correct price will be shown in tax page as well. Okay, now we will make one more order. We will take that same product and we will see the correct amount must get added to cart. We will pick this 10. First of all, we will add the small price. Why the issue has come 1500. Another price must be added as 1800 because we click on back button and not done any kind of refresh. But here as well, this is the another security issue that from here the price can be updated by some hacker. See here, if I will do that add to cart for medium side, then it is adding 1500, but it is showing, I think it is not showing correctly. Here the price is for medium is 1500. I am not sure that this price is 1500 because here you can see this one, that the price of this medium product of this one like 10 medium is 1800. So this issue we will resolve in next video. Whatever issue we are going to resolve, and along with this issue we will also add some kind of function here so that the correct value will be added, because here we will not add the price, we will just take the ID, because here also hacker can update the price in cart table, but we will not show the incorrect price in cart table, so that thing we will also do. So here 1500 one price is 1800, that is added incorrectly. Suppose the hacker reduced the price of from 1800 to 1500. That we will resolve in next video. Okay, so now the price must be 3300. Okay, 1800 plus 1500, 3300, and plus 100 shipping charges. It must be 3400. Okay, so here it is incorrect. Here also we are going to correct in next video. We will, in every page we are going to show the correct prices of the product. Okay, we will not take in session. We will means from function itself we are going to show the correct prices. Okay, so in COD here the amount must be 3400. The 3400 amount of the order must get placed. Means the correct order must be placed, even it is showing incorrect. See here, still it is 3100. But in orders table it must be 3400. Price of the order must come. I will search that ID, 4200 order ID. Here you can see the correct grand total, 3400 is the grand total. Okay, but it is still showing 3100 because it can't able to update that. Here it can't able to update this session value. Okay, but we will update. See here, this one is wrong. It again update that one, so we need to remove this one because we have already added this one here. Okay, and another thing is you can use this grand total here as well, because this one we are not going to take this one anywhere. So after this grand total, I'm going to update here. Okay, so now it will be 100%. It will be correct now. Here it will show the correct price next time when you will order, because we need to update this session. Okay, so this all we will do in next video. Now we are going to update the prices in card order view pages as well. We will make them secure, and we will resolve that issue as well. That's why it is means adding incorrect price. Okay, that all we will do in next video. So next video is also is on security, and we are going to update the website security as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice day. Goodbye.